My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware, which is called Mzop. Mzop is the ransomware that attacks many Windows computers today. And by the way, this ransomware is from the DJVU ransomware family. Before the ransomware attack, we were definitely able to open our files without troubles. But this ransomware is called Mzop because it encrypts files and appends this Mzop extension to the file names. We try to open this specific file and we get a message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with this Mzop additionally appended extension. So this ransomware encrypts pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, text documents, all sorts of other data. Removing this Mzop extension manually still does not fix the issue. The files are still encrypted and you cannot open them anymore, unfortunately. This particular ransomware, as I said, is from the DJVU ransomware family. It then tells its victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery. The ransom amount is $980. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. So don't ever pay it. Now, what we recommend you to do is immediately research your computer with the help of reliable antivirus software. We recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the application, then start the software and begin scanning and researching your computer with its help. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. Well, most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Then the scanning will begin, and at the end of the scanning you will see the summary of the threats which were revealed on your computer. The summary of the threats will show you the information about threats, about their exact locations on the system. Combo Cleaner is also provided with anti-ransomware feature that allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But that feature is the part of the premium license only. Premium license does not decrypt files though, but it helps to protect the files against being damaged in the future. So wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished, and at the end of the scan you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their exact locations. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium as the best solution to keep your files always under the protection.